Okay, my name is Angelica Maria Leiva. I'm a student from UNAT. I'm studying English, and today I'm going to present like a story about Saturday surprise by Hall Ames. There is a story timeline like shows you the most important events of the story in order like to see how it is developed. First of all, Carlos woke up on Saturday and heard sounds coming through open windows as always. After that, one day he woke up and didn't listen to his mother cooking, neither his siblings. Then Carlos got dressed and through the window saw everyone walking and talking as always. But then when Carlos went to the door, he didn't hear and neither saw anything. He used to like to listen his family always around making noises at home, but that day he didn't listen his family. Carlos felt nervous, scared, and hungry. Carlos called his mother and siblings, but no one answered. Carlos went to the kitchen and his whole family surprised him singing happy birthday. Carlos was surprised and opened a box that had some keys. The keys were from a motorcycle. He ran down the stairs and saw it. He felt really happy for the gift. Questions. Those are like some comprehension questions. Does the story have a theme? The theme of the story is celebration. What is the story about? The story is about a guy called Carlos. He always heard sounds, but one day he woke up and he didn't listen to his family. So he felt nervous and scared. When he went to the kitchen, all his family started singing happy birthday. In the end, he opened a box that had keys, and the keys were from a motorcycle that his family gave him as a birthday present. What is the central idea? It is implicit or explicit. The central idea is a surprise. It is implicit because it doesn't say about it while reading. The reader just comprehends it when the story finishes. Who is the protagonist of the story? The protagonist of the story is Carlos. Try to establish her age, family background, social class, and status and occupation. I think he is 18 years old because a kid can't ride a motorcycle. A motorcycle. He has a very united family because all of them give money to buy the present and all of them were at home to surprise Carlos. I think they have a good social status because a motorcycle is not cheap and Carlos is a student because he still lives with his mom and siblings. What is the problem presented in the story? That Carlos was scared because he didn't listen to the sounds he used to listen all days. How was the problem solved at the end when he saw his family singing the happy birthday? At what point in this story is the tension highest? When he was walking to the kitchen and didn't see his family. Is that the dramatic climax? Yes, because he was afraid that something terrible happened to his family. Does the story involve an epiphany or moment of insight, revelation, or self realization for the protagonist or for the reader? How is the moment presented? It is hard to know because the story is barely descriptive, so it doesn't like describe his emotions, and it is a very short story, but I think that the insight moment and the revelation was like between the problem and when he saw his family singing, so he felt a relief because he thought that something happened to his family, and when he saw his family singing his happy birthday he felt really good. Thank you. That's it.